Respected parents, dear students, good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope all of you will be fine. In my previous video, we have already studied about first equation of motion. Actually, there are three equations of motion for uniform acceleration. And we have to read this equation one by one. And we have already studied about first equation of motion. These equations of motion give the relationship between initial velocity which is denoted by u, final velocity which is denoted by v, acceleration which is denoted by a, distance which is denoted by s, taken time, which is denoted by t. And these three equations give the relationship between initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, distance and taken time. As we know that the first equation of motion is v equals to u plus at. We have already studied about first equation of motion in my previous video. Now let's drive the second equation of motion. Second equation of motion is s equals to ut plus half at square. Now we have to drive the second equation. As we know that the formula of average velocity equals to mean of initial velocity and final velocity. This is the formula of average velocity. And distance traveled, the formula of distance traveled is equals to average velocity multiplied by taken time. Distance is denoted by s. Average velocity is, formula of average velocity is u plus v upon 2 multiply time is denoted by t. As we know that the first equation of motion, from first equation of motion, v equals to u plus at. Now this is the first equation. Now put the value of v in equation first. Putting the value of v in equation first. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में v की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे हम क्या, v equals to u plus at. So s equals to u plus v. Now we have to put u plus at at the place of v. U plus at at the place of v upon 2 multiply by t. So s equals to u plus u. S equals to u plus u, 2u plus at upon 2 and multiply by time. Now multiply the t in u and at. 2ut plus at square upon 2, and by removing the LCM, 2ut upon 2 plus at square upon 2, 2 by 2 cancel. So s equals to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation of motion. After the second equation of motion, we have to derive the third equation of motion. What is the third equation of motion? Third equation of motion. Third equation of motion is v square equals to u square plus 2as. Now we have to derive the third equation of motion from first equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion? V equals to u plus at. V equals to u plus at. We have to learn all these equations of motion. Okay, so first equation of motion is V equals to u plus at. And by rearranging the first equation of motion, we can write the first equation of motion as t equals to v minus u upon a. We can rearrange the first equation of motion. Okay, हमने फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन को इस तरह से रीअरेंज कर लिया है. सो आफ्टर दैट डिस्टेंस इक्वल्स टू एवरेज वेलोसिटी multiply by taken time. Distance is denoted by S. Average velocity. What is the average velocity? Mean of final velocity and initial velocity. And time. Put the value of t from first equation of motion. Here we have to put the value of t by rearranging the first equation of motion. We have to calculate the t. t की वैल्यू हम क्या पुट करेंगे? फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को रीअरेंज करके हमने जो t फाइंड किया है. सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ t फ्रॉम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ t? v माइनस u अपॉन a. v माइनस u अपॉन a by multiplying them. v plus u, v minus u upon 2a. For the formula a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So we can write v plus u, v minus u as a square minus b square. So v square minus u square upon 2a. Now cross multiply them. So 2a multiplied by s, 2as equals to v square minus u square. Now rearrange them. v square is equals to u square. नेगेटिव है, उस साइड जाके पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. सो u square plus 2as. So here is v square equals to u square plus 2as is the third equation of motion. So three equations of motion is v equals to u plus at, s equals to ut plus half at square, and third is v square equals to u square plus 2as. These are three equations of motion. After that, our next topic is uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. Now what do you mean by circular motion? When an object moves on a circular track, this type of motion is called uniform motion. Now what do you mean by uniform circular motion? When an object moves on a circular track, अगर कोई object circular track पे move करता है तो हम उसे circular motion कहते हैं. Now what do you mean by uniform circular motion? When an object travels on a circular track with constant speed, this type of motion is called uniform circular motion. When an object moves on a circular track with constant speed means uniform speed. अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट सर्कुलर ट्रैक पर यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड में ट्रेवल करता है तो उसे हम यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन कहते हैं. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कांस्टेंट स्पीड? कांस्टेंट स्पीड मीन्स if an object cover equal distance, suppose that an object travel 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock 2 kilometer and another 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock he travel again 2 kilometer. So this is the equal interval of time. Interval is 1 hour and equal distance. First 1 hour he travel 2 kilometer, another 1 hour he travel again 2 kilometers. So this type of motion is called uniform circular motion. If an object travels in a circular track with constant speed, so this motion is known as uniform circular motion. For example, we have to tie a thread with a stone. हमने एक थ्रेड लिया, उसे स्टोन से टाई किया. आफ्टर टाइंग देम वी revolve them in a circular track. So this type of motion is an example of uniform circular motion. Another example of uniform circular motion is suppose that artificial satellites revolve around the earth. This type of motion is also called uniform circular motion. And for calculating the, but one thing is more here, all circular motion, uniform circular motion, there is speed is uniform. Speed is uniform, but uniform circular motion is the example of accelerated motion. Why it is the example of accelerated motion? Because here is speed is constant. Speed constant है, but velocity is not constant. Why velocity is not constant? Because in every position, distance will be, direction will be changed with the distance. जैसे ही सर्कुलर ट्रैक पे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट मूव करता है, डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करने के साथ साथ उसके डायरेक्शन में भी चेंज आता है. सो देयर इज स्पीड इज कांस्टेंट, but velocity is not constant. Why velocity is not constant? Because there is change in the direction. इस सर्कुलर ट्रैक पे जब ऑब्जेक्ट मूव कर रहा है तो एट एवरी प्लेस उसके डायरेक्शन में चेंज आ रहा है. सो द चेंज, बाय चेंजिंग द डायरेक्शन, दिस टाइप ऑफ मोशन इज कॉल्ड एक्सिलरेटेड मोशन. इस मोशन को हम क्या कहेंगे? ये एक एग्जाम्पल हो गया एक्सिलरेटेड मोशन का.